Are you over 40? I am. Man, time flies by. But the good thing is that here on YouTube, age doesn't matter. The thing that matters is really consistency. So the question is, should you start a channel here in 2025? And the answer to that is yes, definitely start one. YouTube now is definitely promoting new channels, especially small channels. You'll start seeing them everywhere in suggested and things like that. That might be where you found this channel. This is an experiment channel that I'm starting brand new to see if it's true that YouTube is pushing small channels. And if you found it, then they are. So what better time to do it than right now? Make sure to go start that channel. Step out from behind the camera and be brave, just like I am. I'm usually just doing hand videos, reviews and stuff like that, but I never really stepped out in front until finding out that YouTube is starting to push small channels, and I figured, why not? I'm over 40 and it's time to take a chance. And I think you should take one too. It's really never too late to start a channel, especially now that YouTube is pushing small channels. And the best thing is, being over 40, you have a wealth of knowledge, experience, things that you can tell other people that maybe younger kids can't. And here on YouTube, it's great to give information and teach people things that they need to know. I found myself in the very beginning just loving tech. I would always give reviews, tell people what to get, TVs, computers, things like that. And I started a YouTube channel and it turned out okay. But like I said, now I'm trying to step out in front of the camera to be more engaging to the audience, where having a faceless channel and just doing regular reviews sometimes doesn't come off that personable. Hopefully you see that this is more of a personal video talking to you, the viewer. Hopefully helping you out to grow your channel. Hey, is this your first time on this channel? If it is, my name's Johnny, and here we're going to do YouTube tips and tricks, Amazon influencers, and also affiliate marketing. Really, things to make money online to hopefully ditch that 9 to 5, what we're looking for. So if that sounds good to you, make sure to thumbs this video up, subscribe, and comment below. And let's get back to the video. The key things here in 2025 is to make sure to step out in front of the camera and be more personable. You don't have to have a great setup. And that's the thing that I kind of struggled with before, is that everybody was so polished and it was kind of hard to step out and actually make a difference. But the good thing now is that YouTube is really pushing people that are more casual, just in front of the camera. If you mess up here and there, it doesn't really matter because you're being more authentic to the audience. If you've kind of noticed, I haven't been perfect, and I think that's okay. Everybody's out there trying to help somebody out, teach them something, provide more value to their life, some more information, and that's something that you can do being over 40, and I think it's time. Just like me, I've kind of been in and out of YouTube, and I kind of always had my excuses saying I was only playing with it. If it didn't really work, it was okay. I still had my 9 to 5. But really, I think if you jump into it, be consistent, step out in front of the camera, be personable. You don't have to be perfect. And I think you'll make a difference. And if you don't step out in front of the camera because you're worried about being perfect, making everything right, make sure that you know how to do X, Y, and Z, thumbnails, video editing, it doesn't have to be that hard. You can just do one take on a simple phone editing software, just like this one. I'm recording this on my phone using a front-facing camera, which should be lower quality, and also just using iMovie, which is free on every iPhone. So it's as simple as that. The main thing is that you want to come across that you have some information and value to add to somebody else. And if you do have that, then it's perfect to start a channel. And if you're not sure, just think about how you help people in your own life. These are things that could be your niche. you can branch out in that situation and help somebody. And you can make your channel around that. Make sure to research the things that you want to go into so you can adjust your expectations on how much you might grow. For example, if you're looking at oil workers in Alaska, then maybe your audience might be small. Or if you're looking at gardeners in the United States, you might have a large audience. So it all really depends. So go out and search what information you can provide to the people out here in YouTube and adjust their expectations on how much you can grow. But if you can help a handful of people, it would still be worth it to get out there and share your knowledge with the community. Here on this channel, hopefully I've provided some value to you, and hopefully you'll want to subscribe, thumbs up, share this video to help get it out to the masses. This rising tide can also rise all ships, if that's a saying. But anyway, I'm glad that you stopped by. Thank you for taking time out of your day to enjoy this video, hopefully. And like I said, share this video, thumbs this video up, subscribe to this channel. And I have plenty of videos in a similar fashion to basically show you how to make some money online, to ditch your 9-to-5, and make a difference out there in the world. Thank you for stopping by. Peace.